TV host and actress Mariel Padilla shared her heartfelt appreciation for husband Robin Padilla, praising him for being a loving and present father who always makes time for their children despite his demanding schedule. Mariel Padilla recently took to Instagram to pay a heartfelt tribute to her husband, Senator Robin Padilla, not just for his dedication to public service, but more importantly, for being a loving and present father to their daughters, Isabela and Gabriela. In an emotional post shared on Friday, April 11, Mariel uploaded a touching video of Robin at the airport, saying goodbye to their children before flying to The Hague. The video showed their daughters tearfully hugging their father, a moment that tugged at the hearts of many netizens. Isa sa pinaka-proud ako kay Robin ay siya yung what people call a present father, sa mga anak niya, Mariel wrote in the caption. She expressed admiration for Robin's commitment to his role as a father, even in the midst of his busy schedule as a senator. Kaya naman every time we get a chance to bond, even without our cameras, ay napaka-hands-on niyang tatay to Isabela and Gab. Mariel also shared that their recent family trip to Thailand had to be cut short due to Robin's sudden travel for official duties. Despite the abrupt change, she remains grateful for the quality time they had. Nonetheless, kahit nakat ang Thailand trip naming family, I know we made lots of memories that the kids will cherish forever. She said. In the same post, Mariel acknowledged the sacrifices Robin makes for his work and expressed her unwavering support as his wife. Gusto niyang mag-serve sa bayan, kaya as a wife, I support him even when it means na malayo siya sa amin for a while, she added. The video resonated deeply with followers, including Robin's sibling Bibi Gandangari, who commented, "Nalungkot ako para sa mga kids, kitang-kita mo talaga yung lungkot nila dahil paalis na papa nila." Mariel's post not only celebrated Robin's dedication as a public servant but highlighted the quiet strength of a father who remains emotionally present, even when duty calls him away.